Okay, so hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, it's your girl just Ashley, and we are here with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my first attempt on this what is this, an invisible ponytail. What else do they call it? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. But this is my first attempt on it. I did a side part. I usually do middle parts, but I did a side part, and yes, this didn't really lay down, but if I did a middle part, I would have laid down. So I'm gonna just fix my middle part. It's just something wrong with my hair, the way my hair is set up and the way my hair is. Yes, but if you're interested on how to get this look, well, how I got this look, because it's not really that much of a tutorial, but it's like how I did it, you know what I mean? So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So I'm starting off, I think I washed my hair, and I don't know when I wash my hair, but I definitely wash my hair. I moisturize it and everything, and I just put it in those 2 braids. But I'm just going to separate it, and I'm using this steam straightener thing. I forgot the name of it, but I will link it in the description box, I think. I definitely will link it in the description box. So this, I didn't really want to straighten my hair like with a flat iron, so I just used this because it gives me like a blow, like it straightened my hair, but it gives me a blowout look. I figured I didn't really need like my hair to be straight for this. So yes, I don't know how I really feel about this because this be pulling out my hair. Okay, so you will see like the smoke, but it's not smoke, it's the steam. Does that even make sense? Because either way it's steam, but it's not steaming from like burning my hair, but it's steaming from this straightener thing. So I couldn't really get like my roots with the straightener, so I just went in with a blow dryer just to get the roots straight. I think this was my mistake. Well, one of my mistakes in this whole thing. Okay, so I initially was going to do a middle part, but then I was like, you know what? Let me switch it up because I always do middle parts, and then I went for this side part. I think that was another mistake that I made. I should have just left my middle part because maybe I wouldn't have had the problem that I had. But okay. Okay, so at this point I realized like that part is like legit not laying down. I tried so many different things. I even tried the black, this is me using the black got to be glue gel. I know what I'm talking about. Okay, so at this point I'm just tying my hair down, you know, with my famous scarf. I love this scarf whenever I'm just tying the front and everything down. I love it. So I'm gonna be putting my hair into a braid so I could put that little mesh thingy-majig on there. Okay, so this part really messed up my whole style because the whole thing started falling apart when I when I finished recording the video. The whole ponytail started falling apart, and I'm gonna show you why. Let's see if I can show you why. Not yet, but this is the hair that I use, and I just brought some hair glue and I just was gluing it on. This is another reason why it fell apart. Okay, I gotta tell y'all the different part a different time. Okay, so where I messed up with this is you see I started off wrapping it with the glue and everything. It was hard as fuck, so I stopped wrapping it with glue, and then I just would wrap it with no glue, then wrap it with glue, then wrap it with no glue. And then I'll keep doing that, but right at the top, the mesh started sliding down, so it just was my hair up there. So then I just started wrapping it around with no glue, because I didn't want no glue in my hair. And when I tell y'all my ponytail started falling apart, like, you just see the tracks falling down. Oh my god! You know the crazy part of it all? I was going out that night, so I had to figure out something to do. So I ended up just doing it the regular style and just wrapped everything around my ponytail. And yes. So I also made that side part of my hair get puffy because I went and got in the shower, and that didn't work out. But see you guys in my next video.